The pros and cons of having a septum piercing. Overall, getting your septum pierced is not really painful. The pain comes after the fact. After you get this piercing, be ready for pain. You can't mess with your nose. You can't. Everything will be sore if you touch it. It's just gonna be a lot of pain. And I suggest not messing with your nose unless you are cleaning it. It's a lot of itching and irritation come with this piercing during the healing process. So I'm just warning y'all before y'all get a septum piercing. Are you ready to encounter those kind of things? And then again, just having that piercing in that place where it's at, your body's not used to it being there. It's gonna feel uncomfortable for the first few days. You know, feeling metal right there. Sometimes it rests on my up here by my mustache. Sometimes it rests and touches the skin, and it makes it uncomfortable when you're not used to having that there. But overall, it's a nice piercing. I most definitely don't believe it looks right on everybody. Talk to your piercer first to see if it would be a good fit for you. Because that's one thing I made sure I did was talk to my piercer, and made sure it was a good fit for me. I said, well, is it gonna look right on me? She said, have I ever led you wrong? She said, it's gonna look good. And I do like the way it look on me. But you do have to keep it clean. Like when I get in the shower, I spray it up my nose. I don't put no kind of soap or anything up my nose. I spray it up my nose, the water up my nose. And when I get out the shower, I spray my saline solution up my nose, and I take a Q-tip and swab the inside of it with a Q-tip. And I'll also spray the Q-tip with some saline solution to clean it. When it comes to piercings, you don't want to over clean piercings, because over cleaning a piercing could be bad for you too. You just want to make sure that it stay clean though, but don't overdo it. They say clean it twice a day. You know, they say clean your piercing twice a day, especially within the first week of you getting it. The first couple of weeks, you really want to babysit it until it gets to the point where where the healing process has started good enough where you don't have to worry about it getting infected like that. But even then, you still have to clean it, but you don't have to babysit it like you do the first 2 or 3 weeks of getting it. After 2 or 3 weeks of getting it, you should be well enough in the healing process where you don't have to really babysit it like that. But that's all I got to say on a septum piercing. It's a cool piercing. It makes you stand out in the crowd. And if there's something you're looking to do, go for it.